Всем привет! Вы на канале Springyland, и сегодня в этом видео я буду лепить аниматроника Хэппи Фрог из игры ФНАФ 6 Пиццерия Симулятор. Ну а вот нужные нам цвета пластилина. Зеленый двух оттенков, один темный, другой светлый. Серый, бежевый, оранжевый, красный, белый, черный и фиолетовый. Фиолетовый нужен для глазок. Начинаем.
about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because echoes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove the point. I'm too proud to tell you when I'm wrong. Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathing, we are catching fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Silent treatment ain't no cure, just making it harder. Keep on acting busy on your phone. I just wanna feel your touch, baby, can we stop this? Don't you wanna hold me anymore? Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathing, we are catching fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire.
Вот и наконец и готова моя Хэппи Фрог. Прикольная такая лягушечка получилась, не сказать нечего. Я очень давно хотел слепить Хэппи Фрог, но когда я садился ее лепить, она у меня не получалась. И вот из-за этого я ее так и не слепил, за все время, как я леплю из пластилина. И вот наконец она у меня удалась. Но если вам понравилась эта фигурочка, ставьте лайки. Подписывайтесь на канал с колокольчиком. Всем пока-пока.